Good morning all of you. Myself Sandeep Parashar and I am welcoming you online classes 9th class computer class. 9th class we are reading unit 4 electronic spreadsheet. In this our next session is using chart in a spreadsheet. Using chart in a spreadsheet. What is a chart? A chart is a graphical representation of data in a worksheet. It helps to provide a better understanding of large quantities of data. Chart makes it easy to draw comparison, see growth and relationship among the values and trends in the data. They provide an accurate analysis of information. MS Excel offer a wide range of charts to interpret the data. These charts share some common features which assist the user to comprehend the data logically. Now in normal words, what is the meaning of chart? Chart is a graphical representation of a data. All of you are seeing so many times in cricket matches and some things else. Whenever any company give the financial improvement detail, then they use charts. They can see easily what is the growth and how much growth. Types of chart. Excel provide various type of chart as discussed below. Bar charts. It illustrates the data comparison between individuals items. It display data in the form of long rectangular bars that are placed horizontally in the chart. In this type of chart, categories are represented on the vertical axis and values are represented on the horizontal axis. In this, we can see this is bar chart. It will provide in a bar in horizontal bars. Next, stacked bar. This is the type of bar charts. In this, we have in a similar way. We don't have separate bars for each subject. In this, we have in a combination. Next is column chart. Like this. In this chart, different trends over time. It is different type chart of MS Excel. It is completely quite easy to understand. It is very easy to understand. In this type of chart, categories are organized horizontally and the values vertically to enhance the magnitude of change over time. In this, our value in the bottom, value in the right side and our content in the bottom. We can see easily. Next is line chart. This is line chart. Line chart is similar to each. In this, we draw our data, our chart in line mode. Next is area chart. Area chart is a unique version of line or column graph. In this, it gives full detail of our area. What is our area? Till our last boundary. It emphasizes the magnitude, the volume of change over time by showing the sum of the plotted values. An area chart displays the relationship of parts to be the whole. This is area chart. It displays the whole parts. XY chart. XY chart is used for scientific method. In this, it is show the data in just XY mode. It gives just dotted X axis or Y axis. It is used only for science method. Next is pie chart. In this, our data will be shown in the pie mode. It is a circular. In this, our data divide in the description. Definite chart. It display data as section of a circle. It can have more than one data series which attempt to add another dimension to the pie chart. It is best suited for showing the proportional nature of data. A definite chart represents data values as percentage of the whole, while categories are represented in a individual slices. It is definite. It will give our data in a circular mode. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.